far, the urban cities have been struggling with vector-borne diseases like dengue, chikungunya, malaria, and recently, Delhi, in a survey in 2023, has shown an increase in the population of dragonflies and damselflies. Now, this is a sign of better urban ecosystem because one dragonfly can consume up to 30 to 100 mosquitoes a day, and if this happens, there would be a significant reduction in the vector-borne diseases within the urban vicinities. So not only this, it is an indicator of a good urban healthcare, urban health ecosystem, because it talks about a clean, oxygen rich water where the population of damselflies or dragonflies can survive. It also talks about ecological resilience after monsoon, which leads to reduction in the vector-borne diseases. So what are the basic actions? We are trying to restore the native species, create wetlands where they can grow, have better habitats, and then these species, once released or once are abundant, they would actually help in purifying the air, regulating the flood, pollination and groundwater recharge, finally leading to climate mitigation and ecological resilience, and more importantly, significant reduction in the vector-borne diseases. So if we see on to some of the species which have grown in the regions of Yamuna Biodiversity Park and the nearby areas, we have seen a significant increase in the species in most of the parks, in Nilkhos, in Kalindi, Aravali, Tughlakabad, Kamla Nehru Ridge. However, there has been a decline which is seen in the Tipat Valley. Now, some of the important sightings that we have seen are significantly high in the regions of Kamla Nehru Ridge for the dragonfly and damselfly. Also in the regions of Kalindi and Aravali, there has been a significant increase. And for the first time, yellow-tailed ashy smicker has been documented in Yamuna Biodiversity Park, which is one of its own signals of healthier ecosystem for the urban area. So those are some of the important things that we have discussed in this section. Of course, we have seen as you can see in the statistics, these sightings have increased by 54%, which marks a significant decline in the vector-borne diseases in the region. So that was it for today. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.